Hi, this is your girl Mocha. I wanted to chime in with everyone for my natural community out there. I did my big chop December the 3rd, 2011. Yay! Anyway, I just wanted to comment and chime in regards to that. I am ecstatic. I'm excited. I'm over the hill with my hair. I love my natural hair. I love my curls. I think they're gorgeous. They're me. So I'm embracing it. You know, everyone has their opinion on natural hair. Some people love it, some people are not into it, you know, but it's about you and what you're comfortable with, and I am comfortable with my natural hair. So I love it, and I wanted to just basically talk to people about that. Um, Also, I um, just figured out, or not figured out, when I went and got my big chop here in Houston, I found out what hair type I am, and I found out that I am a type 3A, B, C, and here in Houston, Texas, at Uncle Funky's, um, the stylist there help do define all that information for me. Some of the products that I found that works best for my hair type, I have been on YouTube trying to figure out different products since I'm new to natural hair. And what I found out was definitely Uncle Funky's products work great. You definitely have to be natural for it to really work. Also, Kinky Curling, that works great. And some leave-in conditioners that I've tried was Mane and Tail. Those work fabulous. Some people, I've heard some people, other friends of mine that are natural, they're like, stay away from that, you know, it thins your hair out. I have lots of hair. If that happens, great, you know, but I'm not really concerned about if it'll thin my hair out. I'm loving how it's, you know, really, you know, in my hair and how my hair feels. Also, another product that I'm using is the coconut oil. You can get it from Whole Foods or a natural store wherever you live, and that seems to work. That keeps my hair moist. And with natural hair, that's one of the biggest issues, is trying to keep the hair hydrated. And being a YouTube fan and visiting the websites out here for natural hair care, that was one of the things they always talk about, is keeping the hair moist. Also, and I also wanted to go back to when I was a little girl. I'm going to show you a picture when I was a little girl. This is how I looked when I was a little girl. And I always think this picture's so weird for a 1-year-old in this picture, which is me. They have these little long ponytails, and that was my natural hair. I didn't get a perm until I was like in high school, and so yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to get out here and really be a part of the community with natural hair, and definitely share my journey in the natural hair, my natural hair growing out. And you can see for just a month and so, look how much my hair has grown. It's growing too fast. So I'm gonna really like get into some protective hairstyles, maybe rock a wig or something. You know, you also have to be comfortable in that. Not that I'm trying to get away from what I did with my natural hair or my hair. I just want to try different versatilities. So as my hair grow, I want to experiment with different things and try different styles and wigs. So hey, I just want to let people know, don't be afraid. If you're afraid, it's not for you. So this is my hair journey, and I wanted to share it. Check it out. Your girl Mocha.